Hi all. Um, Wanted to demo a submission form that I've created. This is actually for my job where other users in the organization can send me requests for engineering on projects that we're doing. This can be adapted to a multitude of things. It doesn't have to be, specific to engineering, but this particular demo, of course, is geared towards my engineering job. So this form is created in N8N. Um, it uses an automation to look up the particular project in a database, and then also once it's submitted, it will do some other things for me. But we're going to go ahead and start here. So the user would select their branch. Now, if this was for a different business, you could have any of these. Like this could be address, whatever. But that's all stored in a database for me. And then they'll have a job number, and this sequence number is specific to us, and some choices here, and I will choose new permit engineering. And then when they click, it's going to confirm all of the information. So here's a test account that I made with my name, and we'll do with concrete deck, and then they're required to upload a drawing for me to work off of. So we'll put that in there, and then we'll leave a little note in here. Please do ASAP, and then submit. Now this is going to calculate my workload and give them a confirmation screen of an expected date. Um, they can also click here and make another request, but we'll go on over here. What this is SharePoint list. So I've ran probably 500 to 600 projects through this system here, and this is just a demo page. So we'll go ahead and refresh. You see that it has entered in all this information. Some of it pulled from the database, some of it pulled from what the user put in. Got a job number here. This could be anything. I prefer job numbers over customer names because customers can have the same name. But here's the job number. You click on that and it's going to open up the folder for the project. Now, in our world, I would have other documents in here that I have put in there just for, ease for me. And this would be the document that was uploaded at form submission. So we will go back to here. And you can see I've got statuses here. It needs a review. That's my initial stage for me to take a look at it. Job type, where it needs concrete deck, the date it was submitted. Here is the note that the staff put in there. This date sent will be the date that I actually send it to the engineer for his seal. This engineering issues, if I have some sort of a problem for me not to be able to complete my job, I just put some notes in here, and 3 times a week, 8 o'clock in the morning, it will go through this list, and anything that says hold info needed, that I've put it on hold, it'll read these notes that I put in here, and an AI agent will do some checks on it and email the manager for this branch and let them know what the issues are. And this prevents things from falling through the cracks. You can also set up other automations, for any of these statuses that you want to put up here. So anyway, that was kind of a quick overview of a little system here I built that would be good for small business or individuals. Like I said, I've ran well over 500 to 800 projects through this particular system here, and it scales up pretty good. A large organization would run into some issues with OneDrive space because it does use OneDrive. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.